Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connection basics. Make sure the headset has at least 20% charge, then power it off and on to clear transient faults. Once done, set your phone or computer to Bluetooth discoverable because pairing fails when devices hide. Remove any previous pairings for this headset from your device. Cached entries often block a fresh link. Then, initiate a new device search and watch for the headset name. This first sequence eliminates common software and battery blockers. If basic pairing fails, perform a factory reset on the headset, usually holding the power or multi-function button for 10 to 15 seconds, because this clears corrupt profiles. Next, inspect audio codec and Bluetooth settings on your source device. Mismatched codecs or forced audio routing can mute sound or cause dropouts. Make a quick test with a second phone or laptop to determine whether the issue is the headset hardware or the original device. Isolating the culprit speeds the fix and avoids wasted steps. Finish by ensuring both headset firmware and your device OS are up to date. Updates often patch Bluetooth bugs, so install before retrying. Then repair deliberately. Put the headset in pairing mode, select it on your device, accept any prompts, and play test audio to confirm left/right channels and mic function. If problems persist, try a wired connection where available, or collect error behavior and contact support. This gives technicians the data they need to help quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.